In this session, we will be learning about preventive maintenance of lathe. At the end of this session, you'll be able to check the machine condition, inspect the oil level of gearbox, and understand importance of preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance calls for taking an equipment for repair at planned intervals so that uncalled for breakdowns could be prevented. The intervals keep in the view of complexity of the equipment. The preventive maintenance help in prolonging the life of the machine and reduction in unexpected breakdowns and ensure the accuracy. Thus, the accuracy of the product is continuously maintained. The repairs which are carried out at a planned interval under preventive maintenance can be broadly classified in 4 categories or stages involving different volume of work and each of which follows the other in a sequence. The categories are inspection, indicated as I, small repair, S, medium repair, M, and complete overhaul, C. These repairs are carried out on the equipment in a sequence which is well defined for the particular equipment. Inspection includes the following steps. External inspection done for proper functioning of all the mechanisms at all speeds and feeds. Regulation and adjustment of couplings, clutches, spindle bearings, wedges and clamping plates for smooth sliding, brakes, lead nut play. Cleaning of oil and coolant filters, lubricating distributors, chips or dust removers from guides. Tightening of all bolts and nuts and replacing damaged ones. Replacing of oil. Small repair includes all the steps under inspection and also includes the following steps. Disassembly of 2 to 3 units which are excessively worn out or dirty. Disassembly of these units completely part-wise. Washing out the parts. Restoring or replacing of worn out parts and reassembly of the units. Carrying out various regulations as mentioned at inspection with necessary repairs. Restoration of oil pockets on the guide surfaces if necessary. Medium repair includes all the operations of small repair but more number of units as compared to the small repair and are disassembled part-wise, repaired and reassembled. Scraping or grinding of all the guide surfaces. Painting of external unmachined surfaces of the machine. The machine after repair is checked as per accuracy test charts given in Chapter 10. Complete overhaul includes all the operations of the medium repair, but each and every unit is disassembled part-wise, most of the worn-out parts replaced by new ones, and machine assembled. Foundation of the machine is checked and repaired if necessary. Grinding or scraping of all the guide surfaces. Let us have a detailed look at the steps in preventive maintenance. Turn the machine off from the main power point and fit the out of order tag to avoid someone may try to use the machine during your maintenance inspection. Open side cover and check the driving belts. If the belts are damaged, look for excessive cracks or an excessive wear that must be replaced. Check tension of belts. Check brake conditions. Turn the lathe on and run the lathe for a couple of minutes. Check level of lubricant oil on visor main gearbox. Refill if required with gear oil. During running test, check if all the automatic feeding movement are working properly. Check tailstock locking condition and both levers must lock properly. Check top bench lubricant manual pump. Pull or pouch lever to verify that oil is coming to the sliding bench. Check level of lubricant oil of tank, bench lubrication. Listed are some points required to lubricate with gun oiler. Check level of coolant and refill if required. Empty tank and fill up with new coolant every 4 months or when contaminated. Avoid contact with coolant during the refilling process. you must wear rubber gloves. Test bottom of coolant tank to verify if there are any solid sediments. Remove solids and try always to keep the coolant tank clean. Run the lathe and test coolant if supplied properly. Check the main power cable for its conditions. If it is damaged, it must be replaced. Verify conditions of all external switches. All damaged switches must be repaired or replaced. Check conditions of all limit switches. They must be strong in position. A loose or damaged limit switch can generate a continuous fault on the machine. Once in a year, depending on the precision required, it would be convenient to verify alignment of center tailstock with center of headstock. Alignment can be obtained by fitting a total parallel bar between centers and with a dial indicator, verifying parallelism between centers. We have reached the end of this session on preventive maintenance of lathe. By now, you should be able to check the machine condition, inspect the oil level of gearbox, and understand importance of preventive maintenance.